What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. This is a part 2 video because we're revisiting Hailuo AI this time. What you're looking at on screen is the brand new director's feature with Hailuo AI. It is absolutely incredible. We're going to channel our inner Hollywood director and make videos that look like they've been shot with a drone. Introducing the director model here with Hailuo AI. So we're going to be able to control our camera like a pro today. We're going to use natural language for camera control. We're going to take advantage of the multiple moves in one shot. So we're going to combine movements for a cinematic effect. We're going to be looking at less randomness, more accuracy, and better aesthetics. So we're going to put that to the test here today. So who is this for? This is for filmmakers, content creators, and anyone wanting pro level video work. Whether it's B-roll, whether it's A-roll, whether you just want to create epic scenes. We're going to jump into that today with Hailuo AI. Let's dive into the platform together here. So make sure you head on over to hailuoai.com/video. So the link is going to be in the description as always here. And once you get going on to the site here, you're going to notice the Discover section here. And here is the director feature. So you want to come over to the left-hand side here and go ahead and click on create. I'm going to go ahead and click that right here. All right, so this is where the magic happens here. If you just come over to the top here, you're going to have the choice between image to video or text to video. So depending on what you want to do, you just want to make sure that when you come down to the bottom here, the director model is selected. So you can actually use the director model for either the image to video or text to video feature, which is awesome. And we're going to start prompting here. So I have a really cool idea I want to try out. I want to try to replicate some of these amazing scenes that I've been seeing online. I'm going to go with the camera panning over the battlefield, and then we're going to get to our main character here. By the way, to pick your camera movements, just come down to this little camera icon right here. You're going to see your cinematic shots. You're going to have all your different shots you want to go for here. For example, you can do left circling, right circling, upward tilt, downward tilt. All your cinematic shots are going to be right here. You can also go to the free selection as well. So you can click on the free selection here. If I just hover my mouse over the actual movement here, so this is a truck left, for example, I get to see a little demonstration of what that's going to look like. By the way, if I just come over to my prompt here, there's a little message here. Learn how to control camera movements by clicking right here. Let's go ahead and click this. So this is the director model tutorial. So this is a full tutorial on how to best use this new model here. There is step-by-steps here. The biggest thing to remember here is you want to make sure you insert the camera control function at the point in the prompts where the shot movement occurs. So for example, a lamb stands in the snow that has the push in at the very front, and we can just hover over here and we can just see the nice subtle push in. So we have a prompt here. Above an ancient barren battlefield, the frame reveals a close-up of a fearless female warrior. Her face is smeared with dirt and her eyes radiant determination. As I mentioned before, we can actually combine cinematic effects. So we're going to go ahead and do a pan right and then pedestal up. And if I click that, I can combine them here. So it's going to make a really cool effect. So let's give this a shot here. Let's go ahead and hit create. Okay, the job is in the queue. This is the moment of truth here. This is absolutely epic. Look at the detail in her face. She looks incredible. Really big fan how she turns her head from right to left. We can actually see her eyes naturally kind of track what she's looking at here. This turned out amazing. All right, let's try another one here. So I have a really cool idea. So hear me out on this one here. I have above a looming volcano, tracking shot. The camera pans super fast toward its peak, and then pedestal up. As it reaches the crater, the volcano erupts, and then pull out. The camera then circles around the eruption, capturing an epic scene. Let's go ahead and put this one to the test as well today. Let's go ahead and click this. And our job is in the queue. All right, it is the moment of truth here. All right, we have an epic shot here of our camera kind of flying by this volcano, and then we get this closing eruption here, and then the camera just kind of pulls out over the volcano here. So this is absolutely epic. This turned out amazing here. Absolutely love the speed of the camera here, how it's just flying through the sky here. All right, so really quick here. So with the free trial, you're going to get 100 credits here. As you can see in the top right, I have 40 seashells left. Now, with the standard plan, it is coming in at $9.99 per month. It normally comes in at $14.99 per month. So you are getting a nice little discount right now. Just a quick overview of that. You do get 1,000 monthly credits. You do get bonus credits for a daily login, fast track generation, which is super nice. The prompts go through super fast, and you can do up to 5 tasks in the queue at once. Processes 2 tasks simultaneously, removes the watermarks, and overall gives you a prompt priority access here. So for 10 bucks, I mean, that is a fantastic deal here. All right, now we've been having a ton of fun prompting with the text to video. It's time to give the image to video a try here. So I just have an image here that I came across online, just a dog wearing a hat. I thought this is a pretty cool image. And I just had a really cool vision here with this dog wearing a hat. I want the dog to walk towards the camera while the camera is backing up and I'm tracking it here. So I just have in my prompt here, you just want to make sure you go ahead and upload your image here. You can just drag your image right into the browser there and it's going to pull up the image here. And here is my prompt. Dog wearing a hat, slowly walking towards the camera. And I just came over to the tracking shot here. Okay, so I just put the tracking shot at the end of the prompt here. We got our director setting selected and we're gonna hit generate here. So we're gonna bring this dog to life. All right, so let's see what we have here. All right, the dog slowly sits up and starts walking slowly to the camera. I'm super impressed with how lifelike this is. This really just took this picture and brought it to life. How fluid the dog actually walks to the camera is awesome. Let's do another prompt here for good measure. So I have a really cool idea. I'm gonna pop it in here. So I'm gonna go with an epic Game of Thrones character with shoulder length hair, wearing a wolf long coat and wielding a giant sword. Let's also do kind of a dungeon environment. How about a snowy dungeon environment? And we want to obviously we have a look we have in mind here, that downward tilt kind of from top to bottom here. And this is only 30 credits for a quick little video here. And we're gonna fire this up here. So generating prompt in progress. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay, we're gonna open this up. Let's just look at this masterpiece here. This is actually really cool. This is pretty damn epic. The sword is absolutely massive. The whole look and aesthetic here is exactly what I was going for. This has actually exceeded my expectations here with the snowy kind of a dungeon and he's moving forward here. I'm very impressed with the quality here. This is awesome. So I like how the camera pans down and we actually see the light come into the dungeon at the top here. That's a really cool look. So this is awesome, awesome stuff here. All right, so just some final thoughts here today. As you can see, I have my history of videos that I made here and overall really happy with the results I got, especially this last one here. This was super epic. Whether you're a content creator or new to the space, this is the perfect time to direct like never before. Keep in mind that with Hailuo AI, you're getting 100 free credits right off the bat with the free trial. Each video you saw me make today costs 30 credits each, so you can easily jump into the platform and start pumping out epic scenes. Make sure you head on over to the description and follow the link in there. Take advantage of the new director feature with Hailuo AI today.